Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the current affairs quiz for March 4th and March 5th 2019. As you know that we have already launched the February 2019 Spotlight magazine. You can just go to the website and download the magazine from there. This February 2019 is the combined monthly magazine for the current affairs for February 2019. Similarly, you can download the Spotlight for January 2019 as well. Both the links for both the magazines are available in the description. So let's start with the current affairs for March 4th and March 5th. The very first question is, which year has been declared as the Construction Technology Year at the Expo Cum Conference on Construction Technology India 2019. So this Expo Cum Conference on Construction Technology India, this was held in New Delhi. And during this conference, it was announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi that April 2019 to March 2020 would be declared as the Construction Technology Year. Now, two terms, that is construction and technology. So, advanced technology would be used for meeting the housing demands. So for the construction purposes, we are going to use this advanced technology, and therefore it has been announced that April 2019 to March 2020 would be the construction technology year. Now, as this is related to the technology and housing, so this is under the already going scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. We know that this is the housing central government scheme for housing, and they believe to provide housing in urban areas by 2022. So which year has been declared as the Construction Technology Year? April 2019 to March 2020 has been declared as the Construction Technology Year. Next question is, recently Plastic Waste Free India anthem has been produced to make India plastic free by 2022. Now two parts of this question. The very first part is, we are going to make India plastic free by 2022. So question for this year 2022 might come. Next is, in how many languages the anthem has been launched. So this is the main question. In how many languages this Plastic Waste Free India anthem has been launched. So this anthem has been launched in 7 languages. First of all, what are these 7 languages? And which of the following, like which organization has launched this Plastic Waste Free anthem? So coming to the languages first, it is Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. So these are the 7 languages in which this Plastic Waste Free India anthem has been produced, so that we could make India plastic free by 2020. Now which organization has come up with the idea of this anthem, or which organization has produced? So it is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Smriti Manch. This is the NGO which actually works for the social and environmental issues, and they have produced this Plastic Waste Free India anthem. Next and very important question, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has signed MOU, that is the Memorandum of Understanding, with which of the following to provide the free healthcare services to the company's driver. So under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, they have signed this Memorandum of Understanding with Uber, where the Uber drivers would be provided with the free healthcare services. What they need to do, they just have to pay rupees 30 to get the Ayushman Bharat card. This is the card which needs to be there with the people to avail the benefits of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, and it can be availed by these drivers, Uber drivers, for rupees 30. Next and very important question, India will tie up with the 4 nations to increase the population of 3 species of Asian rhinos. Now which of the following is not among the 4 nations? So there are 2 parts of this question. The very first part tells about the 3 species of the Asian rhinos, which are the 3 species which needs to be protected, and another part is the 4 nations with which India has tied up. So India has tied up with Bhutan, Nepal, Indonesia and Malaysia. These are the 4 countries with which India has partnered. Hong Kong is not among these nations. So Bhutan, Nepal, Indonesia and Malaysia, these are the 4 countries with which India has tied up to protect the or to increase the 3 species of Asian rhinos. Now which are these 3 species? The very first is the greater one-horn rhino. Now this is the first species. Next species is the Javan rhino. And the last species is the Sumatran rhino. So these are the three species. The first one is the one-horn rhino, next is the Javan rhino, and third one is the Sumatran rhino. These are the three species for which the India and Bhutan, Nepal, Indonesia and Malaysia, they have tied up to increase the population. Very, very important question and very high chances to come in the examination. Another question is, the country's first national common mobility card has been launched by which of the following ministry? So this is for the first time, that is the national common mobility card, which is also known as One Nation, One Card. So this One Nation, One Card has been launched, which is known as the National Common Mobility Card. It has been launched by which of the following ministry? Now, first of all, what is this card? What is the use of this card? So this card is the single platform thing which could be used in different kinds of payments, basically the transportation payments like the metro, buses. So what you can do is you can just use this metro, the rapid trains as well. So what has been done is, this one card would work for metro, buses, rapid train, all of these transportations. So this has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under the National Urban Transport Policy. Now this card is related to the transportation charges, though there might be confusion in your mind that this might be launched by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, but no, it has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, because this has been launched under the policy which is already going on policy, National Urban Transport Policy. So the One Nation One Card, also known as National Common Mobility Card, has been launched to facilitate single card facility while commuting. Next is, which country has topped the Consumer Confidence Index published in collaboration with the Nielsen Holdings? So India has actually topped this Consumer Confidence Index, which actually calculates, which is based on the three parameters. Now what are these three parameters? The very first parameter is optimism towards the job prospects. So this is the first parameter. The next parameter is the state of the personal finance of the people. And the last parameter is the spending intentions. Basically, the spending intentions in the next 12 months. So these are the three different parameters on which the Consumer Confidence Index has been based, and India has topped this index with 133 score, which is in fact greater than the 101 global average. So India has been followed by Philippines and USA. So under the Consumer Confidence Index, India has topped the list. Now this question becomes important because India has topped the Consumer Confidence Index. Therefore, there are chances that this question might come in the examination. Next is, who has been designated as the ICC Cricket Committee Chairman? This ICC is the International Cricket Committee. So who has been designated as the chairman of this ICC Cricket Committee, and that too for the period of 3 years? Anil Kumble has been appointed as the chairman of the ICC Cricket Committee. Nothing much to discuss, but Anil Kumble has been appointed. Next and very, very important question, what is the theme for the World Wildlife Day 2019? So World Wildlife Day 2019 or World Wildlife Day is observed on March 3rd every year. Very, very important date. World Wildlife Day is observed on March 3rd every year, and this year for 2019 the theme was Life Below Water for People and Planet, and this is the first time that any World Wildlife Day has been observed to focus on the life below water. So basically, to conserve the marine life, they have decided to keep this theme, that is Life Below Water for People and Planet, and it is observed on March 3rd each year. Another one who has been honored with the 2019 Missile Systems Award by American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. So the 2019 Missile Systems Award or the American Missile Award has been honored to Satish Reddy. He is the current chairman of DRDO. So the chairman of DRDO, G. Satish Reddy, has been honored with the American Missile Award, or we could say that Missile Systems Award by American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. Very important question, and this is a co-award. So co-award or co-winner award means this is a joint award given to Satish Reddy and another person, that is Rondell J. Wilson. So he is another person who has been honored with this award along with Satish Reddy. Next is who has been chosen for the first Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar. We know this person. I don't think any description or information is required for this person. So this is for the first time that Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar has been honored, which is constituted by the Akhil Bharatiya Digambar Jain Mahasamiti, and they have given this, or they have honored Abhinandan Vartaman with the first Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar. And this award, this first Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar, it carries a cash prize of 2.51 lakh rupees. So the first Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar has been given to Abhinandan Vartaman. So these are some of the first award been given, therefore it holds a very important place for the examination. Next is who has been awarded with the first Atal Bihari Vajpayee Lifetime Achievement Award or Lifetime Award. So for the first time the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Lifetime Award has been conferred, and Thanga Darlong has been given this, or he has been honored with the first Atal Bihari Vajpayee Lifetime Award, and he is the musician from Tripura, and he is a tribal musician. So, Thanga Darlong has been honored with the first Atal Bihari Vajpayee Lifetime Award. The last question for this video is, as per BIS research, which of the following would be delivering food at doorstep using drone? So this is for the first time that a drone would be delivering food, or the food delivery services would be available at your doorstep, and it will be available through drone. So Zomato is planning. Now this question is just proposed situation, and Zomato is just planning to deliver food at doorstep using drones, the unmanned aerial vehicles. So this is just the proposed situation, and if comes in action, then Zomato would be delivering the food at doorstep using the drones. This is all for the current affairs for March 4th and 5th. As I told you that these are just the important questions. There's a big quiz which is available on the Infinity app. You can download the Infinity app, and there the full quiz is available. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Anuj Jindal. The button is available over here. Please mention your feedback in the comment sections if there is any improvement required in the content or the video. And do not forget to like the video as well. Thank you so much for watching the video.